Alright, here I am with the 1 o'clock update. I just had to push all that snow drift out so I can get out of the camper. Holy moly. Winds have picked up extremely. Really have picked up a lot. Let's see what sure it's going to affect our snow measurements. What? Nothing I can do. Still saying 10 inches. And it's still snowing. It's been snowing. Can't even see where I was at the 10 o'clock hour. But visibility has cleared up out here. That's nice. So it's supposed to let up for a little bit and then gonna kick right back in. So we'll just keep right on going. All right, later.